Being online means navigating a world full of invisible threats. Today, we are going to unravel some of that mystery and talk about DNS poisoning. Let's start at the beginning. DNS stands for Domain Name System, the system that translates website names into their numerical IP addresses. Imagine DNS as a phone book for the internet. When we type in a website address, DNS servers return the corresponding IP address for our system to connect to. Okay, that's clear enough. But what exactly is DNS poisoning? DNS poisoning, also known as DNS spoofing, is when the information in this internet phone book is tampered with, often with malicious intent. So, if DNS is poisoned, when you type in a website's name, you could be redirected to a completely different website without even knowing it. Mostly, it's misused to spread malware, steal data, or commit other cybercrimes. It's serious stuff, so it's important to protect ourselves. Now that we understand DNS poisoning, in our next video we'll explore some tactics to keep safe online. Until then, stay curious and keep learning about the intricate web that powers our digital world.